updates on the newly promulgated laws aimed at strengthening governance, digital transformation, and public health.
The presidential office held a press conference on Monday afternoon to announce the state president's order promulgating 13 laws passed by the 15th National Assembly at its 10th session. Among them, the law on judicial expertise translates high-level policy directives into law. It supports advances in science and technology, innovation, and national digital transformation, while improving the quality and effectiveness of judicial assessments. The law on artificial intelligence takes effect on March 1st this year. It provides a unified legal framework for the development and application of AI. The law is expected to help position AI as a key national digital infrastructure and a driver of productivity growth. Another key piece of legislation is the law on disease prevention. It emphasizes proactive prevention and puts people at the center of healthcare.